Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your VW Jetta key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's crucial to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any tiny components from getting lost. This simple task is surprisingly quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. You'll be back to full key fob functionality in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by finding the small release button on the side of your fob and pressing it. This action allows you to pull out the emergency key blade. Next, carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into the narrow slot located near where the key blade was. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you can now access the battery. Carefully remove the old, depleted CR2032 battery. It's important to observe its orientation, noting which side is positive and which is negative. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces upwards. Make sure the battery is seated snugly and securely. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's securely closed. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. To ensure everything is working correctly, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.